Papers on magnetism, radiation and light. Why scientific people are afraid about this. Why the construct and previous perceptions, many dare to touch. Why the tools insufficient to measure those huge polarities of numbers, which these commodities brings. These are infinite commodities capable of defining the edges of universe. That means a child play with it is like reducing one's own lifespan. That means when radiation got discovered from elements like uranium, radium, polonium, cesium, pitchblende, curium, you must keep it in mind, this has reduced the lifespan of scientists. Becquerel left when he was 55 years of age. Curie family, many died early of various cancers, those associated with those experiments. The idea is not that much vast among those scientific communities. The fusion radiation and fission radiation still doesn't have clear-cut ideas. The speeds, magnitude of impacts is beyond measurable quantities. See, for example, light. You must be able to perceive the speed of light 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second to understand what will be its square times. Pure imagination doing excellence in mathematical equations. Perceiving the otherworldly dimensions from our own lively constraints and limited points. Previous nights I was totally puzzled about these concepts. It's like losing sleep for hours. The realities of the human world in one pole, the realities of magnetic world in other pole, the realities of light world in other pole, the realities of the radiation world in other pole, the realities of the material metallic world in other pole, the realities of the harmful free radical world, the realities of sea world in other polarities, the realities of the moon world influence on earth. Even scientific communities seeking for advancements in this field won't allow you to think. No clear-cut ideas. They may have toiled for years. Finding it's indeed a path towards God, a path towards evolutionary construct of human ethnicities, a path towards autopilot, a path towards those space unexplained phenomenons. What I was saying, human realities, material realities, economic realities, political realities, social realities, environmental realities, life realities have profound large-scale alterations can be made using these quantities. A permanent unpredictable impact unimaginable. A way to change the rotations of planets, and even change to the gravitational waves. The magnetism and light are life-supporting and radiation is life-diminishing. These life-supporting quantities is what controls the radiational energies in human material world. How many of you know that humans have some kind of radioactivity? Small radiation from sun and moon and extraterrestrial sources are reaching to us and it stays within us. The positive free radical ions neutralize it. A way to reduce those diseases. The electromagnetic pulses is what moves the radiation waves and it has impacts on the material world. Only using light these quantities can be regulated. Why I am saying this? This has wide applications on all sorts of realities which you consider important. Life itself, the planetary motions defined by these commodities.